my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family orange pineapple chicken wings. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. To my subscribers, to those of you who are always coming back, you are my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. Oh my viewers, you're out there, you're watching, but haven't made up your minds as yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. YouTube family, my subscribers, everyone, guess what I'm doing today? I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.